In this quick video, I am going to show you how to access hidden apps on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. Now as you can see, I have multiple apps on my iPhone. Now suppose if I hide Instagram from here, for that I need to hold on it and then we'll see option of require passcode. Tap on it and hide and require passcode. And once we type our passcode, the app will be hidden from my iPhone. And now the app has been hidden on my iPhone. Now to find that app, we need to scroll down to the right of our screen, and once you reach the end of your right side, then we need to scroll down to the bottom and you will see this hidden option. So we need to tap on this box. Once we tap on it, it will ask for our iPhone passcode, or in case you have added any Face ID, then it will ask for your Face ID. If you verify it, then we'll be able to see all of the hidden apps from our iPhone. If you want to open any app, then tap on it, it will open the app. And now if you want to unhide any app from your hidden apps, then hold on to that app and then you will see don't require passcode. Tap on it and then provide your passcode or Face ID, and once we do it, the app will be unhidden on our iPhone. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.